asked me the other day if I've ever tasted the Woolies jumble dessert, and I've actually never seen it, and I know the product so well. So I thought I'd take some inspiration and I'd make my own jumble dessert. In fact, I'm going to call it everything but the kitchen sink, and show you how you can put a whole lot of yummy stuff together and just make this kind of like beautiful platter, and everybody can help themselves. And then I'm going to smother it with my beautiful coconut caramel sauce, which I'm going to show you how to do now. So just over a gentle heat, I've got some brown sugar and then a little bit of butter, joking, it's quite a bit of butter. And then just a bit of water. So just don't be in a hurry, let that butter slowly melt, because you don't want the sugar to obviously burn and then you have a big block of butter in there. And you can see it's just so delicious. So I think that's ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to add my salt, and again you can just put a little pinch in. I use sea salt flakes, and then here goes in our beautiful luscious coconut milk. You can see it's thick, but I haven't shaken the can, I've just taken the cream off the top, so if you want to use cream you can. And that is just the most glorious, beautiful coconut caramel. Yeah, and you can see it's like quite runny, but you cool it down and it'll become this glorious thick sauce. So I've cooled down this lovely caramel sauce. I just want to show you the texture of it. It's been in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it's just the perfect kind of like gooey pouring consistency. So you can serve this in individual bowls, but I think it looks like spectacular on a nice platter, your favorite platter. So I'm going to start with these fantastic, they're new and they're dark chocolate brownies. They're like little rounds, you'll see. But if you wanted to use chocolate muffins, like the jumble dessert in Woolies, they use chocolate muffins, or you can use a mix of vanilla and chocolate. Yeah, just make it your own. And as I say, everything but the kitchen sink. So let's start with that. I'm just going to break them. So everybody gets a little bit, maybe a little whole one for a little treat, for a lucky one. Oh, they're so lovely and moist, and you see they've got like a bottom of chocolate. So I think if you pop these in the oven for like 4 minutes, or the microwave for maybe 1 minute, I think they'll just go even more gooey and this chocolate's all gonna melt. Delish. Next, I have some popcorn, salted popcorn or even caramel popcorn, and then I love all the variety of chocolate drops. So you get caramel ones, white milk chocolate ones, milk ones, and these lovely 70% chocolate. And then I love these, and they are honey caramel nuts. They're really nice. You can chop them or just crush them in your fingers. And then what else have I got? Oh, some nice peanut brittle or cashew nut brittle, a little bit of crunch. And then I think that's all I've done. A little nut there. And yeah, I think we've got enough biscuit. And now we're going to do the piece La Resistance. Oh yeah, chuckles.
Good. Okay.
And then last but not least are my favorite. And I know they're your favorite too. And that are the chuckles. And then we just put a little bit on top of here. And then last but not least, this incredible stuff. Ooh la la, that's amazing. I think it's amazing. So that for you is my rumble jumble or jumble dessert, everything but the kitchen sink. I hope you enjoy it. Now it's time to rumble in the jungle.